Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix TikTok notification not working. First thing first, you want to open up settings on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet as well. After which, locate apps from the list, go to TikTok and select notification. Make sure that the notification button is toggled on. And after which, you want to exit out, launch open TikTok on your device, go to profile from the very bottom right. There you go, tap on the menu bar and go to settings and privacy and locate notifications. As you've done this, you should be able to see the notifications, so toggle on the button and that should also definitely help you out. Now that you've done this, you might want to make sure to close all the background running app and then hold on to your side button and restart your device. That should also definitely help you out. If nothing works out, you could also go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So type in TikTok on the search bar and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. So this way you're supposed to fix TikTok notification not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.